Assalamualaikum. My name is Wanul Fatimah Syaira binti Wan Muhammad Faizal. My matric number is A23B13332. The slide presenting about system development life cycle stage for accounting information system. The stage have 5 stages. I will continue to the next slide. First stage are system analysis. First, background of the selected small business. Beauty Plus Salon is a small partnership-based salon business located in Jalan Merbau, Kampung Batu 2.5, Chukai, Terengganu. The business provides hair cutting, hairstyling, rebonding, and hair treatment services for both male and female customers. In addition to in-store services, Beauty Plus Salon also offers mobile salon services using a salon truck to serve customers at their homes, which increase the volume and complexity of daily transactions. The business is managed by an owner and supported by several operational staff who are responsible for providing salon services and handling daily cash transactions. As the business grows and the number of customers increase, accurate and systematic accounting records have become essential for monitoring financial performance and ensuring effective business management. Secondly, description of current problem and limitation. Currently, Beauty Plus Salon uses a manual accounting system to record its business transactions. Daily sale income and operating expenses such as salaries, rental, utilities, petrol, promotion, and maintenance costs are recorded manually in notebook. At the end of each month, the owner calculates total income and expenses manually to determine profit or loss. This manual system has several limitations. Firstly, it is prone to human error, including incorrect calculation, omission of transaction, and inconsistent record keeping. Secondly, the preparation of monthly financial reports is time-consuming and inefficient, as the owner must refer to multiply record and perform manual calculations. Thirdly, there is no centralized database to store accounting information, making it difficult to retrieve historical data or analyze sales and expenses trend. In addition, physical records are exposed to the risk of loss, damage, or misplaces, particularly due to mobile salon operation. This problem reduces the accuracy and reliability of financial information and limit management ability to make timely and informed business decisions. This issue clearly indicates the need for a computerized accounting information system to improve accuracy, efficiency, and data management. Next, objective of the proposed system. The objective of the proposed accounting information system is to overcome the weaknesses of the existing manual system and improve the efficiency and accuracy of accounting operation at Beauty Plus Salons. The system aims to automate the recording of daily sales and expenses, reduce human error, and provide systematic storage of accounting data. The system also aims to generate accurate monthly profit or loss report automatically, enabling management to monitor financial performance more effectively. In addition, the proposed system seeks to improve data accessibility, enhance financial control, and support better decision-making for the long-term sustainability of the business. Next, functional requirements. The proposed system must support different user roles, specifically the owner and staff. The owner should have full access to all accounting records and reports, while staff can input daily transactions and view limited report. The system must be able to record daily sales transactions for both in-store and mobile selling service. It should capture details such as service type, service price, transaction date, and total sales amount. The system must also record all business expenses, including staff salaries, rental, utilities, petrol, promotion, and maintenance expenses. User must be able to add, edit, and retrieve accounting record when necessary. Furthermore, the system must automatically calculate total income, total expenses, and net profit or loss on a monthly basis. It must generate standard accounting report, particularly a monthly profit or loss report, to support management evaluation and control. For non-functional requirements, in addition to functional requirements, the proposed system must meet several non-functional requirements. The system should have a user-friendly interface that is easy to use by staff with limited technical knowledge. It must ensure data accuracy and consistency through validation controls. Basic security features such as user login and release access are required to protect sensitive financial data. The system should be reliable, stable, and capable of operation efficiently using Microsoft Access on standard computer hardware. It should also be easy to maintain and update as business needs change. Next, feasibility analysis divided by two categories. First, technical feasibilities. The proposed system is technically using Microsoft Access, which support database creation, form queries, and reports. Microsoft Access is suitable for small business and do not require advanced technical expertise or expensive infrastructure. The system can operate on existing computers used by the business. Second, operational feasibility. The system is operationally aligned with existing business process at Beauty Plus Salons. Staff can be trained easily to use the system for data entry, while the owner can generate report for monitoring and decision making. The system simplifies daily accounting tasks and reduces workload, making it acceptable and practical for users. Conclusion: the system analysis stage focus on understanding the current business operation, identify problems in the existing manual system, and determine the functional and non-functional requirements of the proposed system. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Shafika binti Azmi. My metric number is A23A1677. Today I will be presenting the conceptual design of accounting information system for Beauty Plus Salon. Let's start with the overall system architecture. This system is a centralized system that supports both in-store services and home-to-home services. All business data, including income, expenses, customer information, and service details are stored in one integrated system. Because everything is centralized, the system can ensure accurate record keeping, reduce data duplication, and provide reliable financial information for management. The system operates using a simple input process output approach, which makes the system easy to manage and understand. Next, I will explain the main system modules. First, customer management. This module stores customer information for both salon clients and home service clients. Second, service and pricing. This module records the services offered, including prices and discount. Third, transaction. This module records daily income and all business expenses. Finally, reporting. This module summarizes financial data and generates monthly profit or loss reports for management. Moving on to user rules, the salon owner or manager uses the system to review financial reports, monitor business performance, and make business decisions. The finance staff or cashiers are responsible for recording daily income and expenses accurately. The operational staff have limited access mainly for basic customer or service data entry. This clear rule separation help improve control and accountability within the system. Next is the high-level data flow. The process starts when customer and service information are entered into the system. Then daily income and expense transactions are recorded by authorized users. After that, the system organizes and summarizes all transaction records. At the end of the month, the system generates a profit or loss report, which gives management a clear overview of the salon's financial performance. Lastly, I will explain the conceptual data entities. The main entities in this system are customer, service, transaction, employee, and report. Customer stores customer information, while service records service detail and pricing. Transaction captures all income and expenses, and employer stores staff information. The report represents financial summaries such as the monthly profit or loss report. These entities are logically related to ensure accurate and organized financial reporting. That's all from my part. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Ira Shafira binti Kamarizal and my metric number is A23A1508. So in this video, I will explain section 4.3 physical design of the accounting information system for Beauty Plus Salon. So, for the database design, the accounting information system of Beauty Plus Salon is developed using Microsoft Access. The database is designed to support the recording of financial transactions based on the double entry accounting principle. All accounting data, including accounts, transactions, and debit and credit amounts, are stored in a structured format. This ensures accurate calculations and allows the system to generate reliable financial reports. Next is about table structure and key fields. So the system consists of four main tables, which are account, account types, transaction, and transaction line. So the account table stores information such as account ID, account name, and account type ID. So the account type table records different categories of accounts, including assets, liabilities, revenue, and expenses, along with their normal balances. The transaction table is used to store general transaction information such as the transaction date and description. Meanwhile, the transaction line table records detailed transaction data including transaction ID, account ID, and debit or credit amounts. So next, primary key and table relationships. So each table has a unique primary key to identify records. The account type table uses account type ID as its primary key. The account table uses account ID as a primary key and is linked to the account type table through account type ID as a foreign key. The transaction table uses transaction ID as its primary key and it's connected to the transaction line table through transaction ID. So the transaction line table also uses account ID as a foreign key to link transaction to specific accounts. So these relationships allow the system to accurately record debit and credit entries. For form and report design, several forms are developed in Microsoft Access to support data entry. So the account form is used to manage account and account type information. The transaction form is used to record daily financial transactions, while the transaction line form allows users to enter debit and credit details. In addition, financial reports such as the income statement are generated based on the transaction data stored in the system. E-system to accurately record debit and credit entries. Lastly, security controls and basic validation. Basic security controls are implemented through user access control, ensuring that only authorized users can enter or modify data. Basic validation rules are also applied. For example, the system prevents debit and credit amounts from being entered at the same time in a single transaction line and ensures that each transaction has at least one transaction line. These controls help reduce errors and improve the accuracy of financial information.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nona Jubatakia binti Yusuf. My matric number is A23-82457. Today I will be presenting an accounting system developed using Microsoft Access based on the Beauty Plus Salem Financial Management. This system is designed to record accounting transactions, apply the double entry principle, and generate a profit or loss report automatically. It is important to highlight that all figures shown in this system represent actual transactions for a period of 6 months only and not a full 1 year financial statement. First, this is the account maintenance section. This table account and front account is the same. The system contains 8 main accounts including cash in hand, capital, office supplier, purchase, account payable, sale, account revenue, and utility expenses. Each account is classified into 5 account types, which is asset, liability, equity, expenses, and revenue. In the account type table, asset and expenses are set with a normal debit balance, while liability, equity, and revenue have a normal credit balance. You can see this. Asset and expenses is debit, liability and equity and revenue is credit. Next is this is the journal entry form where all transactions are recorded. Okay. For example, on 1 December 2025, the owner invested 8,000 as capital. This transaction is recorded as debit in cash, credit in capital. We can see at this. Okay, debit cash in hand, capital is credit. Next is transaction line. Transaction line and table transaction line and from transaction line is the same. In the transaction line, we can see the detailed breakdown of debit and credit entry. For instance, office supplier purchase amounting 6,000 and debit office supplier credit cash in hand. For utility expenses, base amounting 400 only for 1 month here. This table for 1 month. For 1 month, this 1 month, and this for 6 months. Okay, utility expenses is debit 400 and cash is credit 400. All transactions follow the debit entry concept, where total debit always equal total credit. Okay, for sale transaction over the 6-month period, this total sale record in the system amount to 259,092. Okay, debit in cash in hand, credit in sale. Okay, next is profit and loss ni. Based on the profit and loss query, the system calculates total revenue. This total revenue is 264,092 and total expenses this total revenue and this total expenses is 3,553. Okay, these two is the same. For and last, that is profit or loss by profit or loss report by months. For the 6-month period, the system show a net profit of 260,539. Once again, this report is generated automatically based on recorded transaction and represent only 6 months of operation, not a full financial year. In conclusion, this Microsoft Access system provides a structured way to record financial transactions and generate accurate profit or loss report. It also demonstrates the difference between actual recorded data for 6 months and financial projection prepared. That's all for me.
Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Nur Alisa Mazila and my metric number is A238A2448. Today I'm going to present about operation and maintenance. First, daily system operations procedure. Daily operation begin with staff log in into the styling management system to review the stylist appointment schedule and ensure all styling stations are ready for the day. Throughout operating hours, every service provided such as haircut, coloring or scalp treatments must be recorded in the point of sale or POS system to generate accurate invoices. At the end of the day, the manager perform a daily closing procedure to reconcile physical cash and card transaction with the system's sales report before officially closing the session for the audit purpose. Next, user responsibilities. Each hairstylist is responsible for updating their client's profile, including recording specific hair color formula or specialist shampoo used to ensure consistency in future visits. The receptionist's primary role is to manage the flow of the waiting area by coordinating appointment slots to prevent schedule conflict between stylists. Meanwhile, management is responsible for monitoring staff productivity through system analytics and ensuring that all users adhere to data privacy protocol when handling sensitive customer information. Next, data backup strategy. To safeguard client record looks at Celo financial history, the system is equipped with an automated cloud backup function that triggers at the end of every business day. This step is vital for protecting data against hardware failure or cyber threat that could disrupt business operation. Additionally, a manual backup is performed onto an external hard drive every month as a secondary security measure, ensuring that critical information such as customer loyalty balances and historical data remain retrievable at all times. Next, maintenance activities. Cellular maintenance involve the meticulous care of both technical equipment and digital systems to ensure seamless service delivery. High usage tools such as blow dryers, curling irons, and electric clippers are inspected and cleaned daily, while professional shears are sharpened according to strict maintenance schedule. On the software side, the cellular management is updated periodically to patch bugs and enhance performance, preventing any technical glitches during the checkout or booking processes. Next, system limitation. The current cellular management system has certain limitations, most notably its high dependency on a stable internet connection for real-time data synchronization. Furthermore, the system may struggle with complex automated booking, such as large group reservations that require the simultaneous coordination of multiple stylists without manual intervention. To mitigate this risk, staff are trained to maintain manual backup logs to ensure service continuity in the event of unexpected internet outage or server downtime. Next, proposed future improvement. Looking ahead, the Salon aims to upgrade the system by integrating a self-service booking portal via social media or a dedicated mobile app to streamline the reservation process. The introduction of an AI-driven style consultant model is also being considered to help stylists recommend the most suitable haircut based on a digital analysis of the client's face shape. Additionally, a fully automated digital loyalty program will be launched to reward frequent customers, thereby strengthening the salon's brand loyalty and market position.